Good morning, class 11. How are you all? Well, as I had told you earlier, today we begin with the second book that you have in your syllabus by the name of Snapshots. And today we are going to start a very interesting chapter, a very lovely story, a very adventurous story of two young boys, and it's by the name of The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. Yes, and it's been written by William Saroyan and very beautifully authored and brought out, the traits, the life of a particular tribe in Armenia. So Armenia is a place, it's a mountainous region basically between Asia and Europe. So Armenia has a lot of tribes. So this particular tribe that we will be studying about, not the tribe as in, but the story of this particular tribe is about this tribe called Garoglanian. So the place is Armenia. Armenia has a tribe, and it is known as by the name the Garoglanian tribe. And there are two very important hallmarks of this tribe. Now, what are hallmarks? Hallmarks are characteristics. Hallmarks are sort of some marking that this particular tribe is famous for this thing. तो आर्मेनिया के ये जो ट्राइब है, Garoglanian tribe, it was famous for two important things. What? Trust and honesty. And as you'll go through the chapter, you'll come to know that this tribe has been famous for this thing for over 11 centuries. So one thing is for sure, that nobody could ever, point a finger on the Garoglanian people, on this particular tribe, in terms of trusting them or in terms of them being dishonest, because they were very, very honest people, very, very honest tribe. Okay, so they could never cheat anybody, they could not, cause any sort of damage to anybody, and they were very, very, good people, very, very honest and trustworthy. And there's one more thing that we come to know is that this is a tribe that is also, the writer says, comically poverty stricken. They are under a lot of poverty, they don't have money, but then still somehow life for them is happy-go-lucky sorts. They don't have that kind of stress, and somehow they are surviving. So one, it's Armenia, two, it's the Armenian tribe, and three, the story is about these two young boys and involving a beautiful white horse. So see, summertime, two boys, a horse. So you can imagine there's some sort of adventure here, something here that will, it will keep on coming up as we go through the chapter. So I would want you to pick up your snapshots, and as we begin with the first story here, the first chapter here, Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, keep in mind that the two traits are very important, the two hallmarks are very important: trust and honesty. And this Armenian tribe, okay, this tribe that is the Garoglanian tribe, you need to keep their traits in mind. So join me as we get into this detailed explanation.